In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix GCash app game not opening. If the games inside the GCash app are not opening in 2025, the issue is usually linked to updates, device settings, or eligibility restrictions. The first thing to do is check whether your GCash app is running on the latest version. Outdated apps often miss bug fixes. Do that by opening Google Play Store or App Store. Now, search for GCash here. Go ahead and make sure that it's updated. Updating it through the Play Store or App Store can immediately solve the problem. A stable internet connection is also important, so try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or briefly toggling airplane mode if you notice the app struggling to load. Sometimes the problem is temporary, and restarting the app or your phone clears the glitch. On Android, clearing cache and storage data through the phone settings is another reliable fix, as it removes corrupted files that might be blocking the game section from loading. Do that by opening your settings app. Now scroll down to app management or any similar option on your phone. Now click on it. In here, go ahead and press on app settings. Just search for GCache in here and press on it. Click on storage and cache and you will be brought in here where you can click on clear cache. A less obvious but very common issue is when developer options are enabled on your device. GCache actively prevents its app from working with debugging tools or rooted phones. So, if you have developer options turned on, disabling them in settings often restores full functionality. If none of these solutions work, reinstalling the app from scratch can be a final step. Uninstalling GCache, restarting your phone, and downloading it again from the official store can clear any installation issues that persist. At the end of the day, if the game still won't open, it may be a server-side issue or an account-specific restriction, and contacting GCache support directly would be the best option. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.